Hello everyone, my name is Mitali Rohra and in this video I will show you about how to do graphical analytics and how to make a dashboard in Tableau. So first of all I have installed Tableau in my laptop and now I have also downloaded the random data and Excel sheet which I am going to export and transfer it to the Tableau. So first of all I have opened this Tableau sheet and I am exporting the data. This is my data, so I am opening it. In the process it take around 10 to 30 minutes. So here it is showing that processing request, so it takes around 10 to 30 seconds to download and to transfer this data. And also you should need to ensure that the data you have downloaded should be the error free. It does not contain any error, so it should be filtered beforehand in the Excel. Then you can only download it to the Tableau. So this now this screen has came, and now we are going to use automatic data interpreter. This also filters our data and clean our workbook, and it also take 10 to 30 seconds as I said earlier in the processing. So it's clean our Microsoft Excel workbook as it is written here. So yeah, so when there is like some empty cells or kind of errors, so all these things are removed by this data interpreter. Now the cleaning is done. Now we are going to blend our data. So I am first of all taking the transactions and bringing it here. Yeah, so our transaction sheet has came, and you can see that down here all the data will be showing very soon. As you can see the loading, it's loading. Yeah, so now you can see the product ID, then transaction ID, customer ID, all these kind of data which we have downloaded. We are going to blend this transaction with the customer demographic. And the blending means linking these four sheets. So I am going to link these four sheets on the basis of customer ID, because only the customer ID is common in both the sheets. So I am going to take it as a base. So yeah, it's done. Now that we have successfully blended our data, now we are going to make the graphical representation. So we went to the sheet 1, and we are now first of all going to see our profit generated on the basis of the gender. So I took the gender and put it into the column section. It's saying that computing view layout, it's going to come. Yeah, and now I'm going to take my profits and I'm going to place it here, and it's like ABC. So yeah, so now that the profit is given, and we can see that the profit is given as a measure of sum, but we need to take it as an average. So we go to this measures and we can change it to the average. And also we have to format this profit, and we need to take it as a standard currency, that is dollars. Our standard currency is dollars. So we can see that now our profit is successfully converted into the dollar. Now we can choose the chart. As you can see on the right hand side, there are lots of charts, like you can draw. This is the bar chart we are going to use. So this is the bar chart, and it's like horizontal, we can rotate it. So this is our graphical representation of profits according to the genders. Now in the sheet 2 I will show you the profit according to the customer ID. So first of all we take the customer ID, put it into the columns, and now again we will take the profit and put it into the ABC section. Then again the bar graph and rotate it. Yeah, we forgot to change the profit as average. So first of all we change it to the average. So these are the profits according to the customer ID. Now we will take this sheet 3, and we will see the product profit on the basis of the brands. So we will take the brand and put it into the column section, and then we will take the profit and put it into the ABC. Yeah, so again we will take the profit measures as average, this. Now I'm going to use the different kind of chart. I'm going to use this kind of chart. We can see that where A to B has the more diameter, so we can see that the more major of the profit is earned through this brand. Now at last we will make the dashboard where we will combine all these kind of data. So first of all, I'm taking the sheet 1 and dropping it here, then I'm taking the sheet 2, I'm dropping it here, and then last it is this. Okay, now this is a dashboard which we successfully created. We can see it like a presentation. We can use it to our presentation, we can use it as a PDF file, we can use it in our PowerPoint. And if you like need to give a title, so we can give a title as profit to profit analysis. Okay. Profit analysis is our dashboard. Now that we have successfully created the flow charts, this is according to the brand, this is according to the gender, and the last one is about the customer ID. And now we can use all these kind of charts to our presentation. So we will go to the file section and we will uh, print to PDF. So this, so now you have two options like entire workbook or active sheet. If you are choosing the active sheet, only the dashboard is copied to the PDF or transferred to the PDF. If we are taking the entire workbook, so the entire workbook will be. So right now I am taking the active sheet as it will take lesser amount of time according as compared to the whole workbook. I am pasting it, saving it on the desktop, and it's, and again as I said, it takes some amount of time as, yeah. So let me check if it's been saved or not. Yes, it has been successfully saved. As you can see, this is my PDF and this is our charts. So this is how you can easily make the graphical representation with the help of Tableau. And not only this, you can also do the time series and the forecasting. You can do many more things. You can analyze your data, you can forecast your sales, you can forecast many things on this. This is the trend. You can also show the trend lines and everything. So there are a lot more things which we can do on this Tableau, but for this video it's all about the profit and showing how we can analyze the profit on different grounds. So this is all about this video. Okay, so now that we have successfully created our dashboard, so you can see this. Thank you.